God's amazing. That's it. That's all. That's the message. God is amazing. Let's not play. Let's not play. What is up, guys? It's your girl Ken, and we are back with the start of another weekly vlog. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome back. Yeah, so today is the start of another weekly vlog. Today is not my car saying it's Christmas of 2013. Haha, need to change my date in my car. Today is May 15th. It is Monday. So, you know what it means, Monday. We're at school right now. So, my class doesn't start till 9:15, as y'all know. It is 9:09 right now, so I'm just waiting to go inside. Today's agenda, my top agenda is to find something for this wedding. I have not yet to find anything for this wedding. And, yeah, so I have to find something for this wedding. The theme is tropical, but I haven't been able to seem to find anything without ordering anything, and I don't have time to really order because the wedding is on Thursday. So we have to try to find something to wear, and that's really all that's really on the agenda for today. So I'm not going to the mall. I've been to the mall 4 times, seems like, in a week, and I know they don't have anything. I might check this thrift store over here by me, well, Consignment Shop. They be having cute plus size clothes in there. I went in there a couple of weeks ago. They didn't have anything. Everything was just too big. So I might check back in there to see if they have something cute to possibly wear. We'll see on that. But I do also want to start with the vlogs. I want to start sharing a daily word with you guys. I am a Christian, so if you don't like this part, I'm not the type to, I ain't even gonna say preach at you. Like, I just want to share the gospel. That's it. Point blank, period. If you accept it, you accept it. If you don't, you don't. Skip by it. I really don't care. So I do want to start sharing a word with you guys, just because as I indulge in the word, I do also want to share God's word, because what God shares with me, or what the word says, I feel like everybody should know. So today's word is coming from Proverbs 2 verse 1 and 2. Well, don't want to do 1 through 2. Let's do 1 through 5. Basically, it's the benefits of wisdom, and I'm reading from the New Living Translation. So Proverbs 2 verse 1, my child, listen to what I say and treasure my commands. Verse 2, tune your ears to wisdom and concentrate on understanding. Verse 3, cry out for insight and ask for understanding. Search for them as you was for silver. Seek them like hidden treasures. Then you will understand what that means to fear the Lord, and you will gain knowledge of God. So that was verse 1 through 5. All right, you guys, so we're out of that first class. Now we are about to go into the second time around thrift store upscale place, whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna try to record this time, because last time I came in here I didn't record, because this is like privately owned, so I just don't know what their rules are for recording, but I'm gonna try this time for sure. So let's go inside, let's see what we could possibly find. It's not that I want you here, yeah. It's not about the way you say to my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. You get away, palm trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna hear is in the pictures on replay. Still right next to you. You do. Alright, y'all, so that was a dud. As y'all seen, hopefully y'all see it, because I don't know how that footage looked. But I tried on a few pieces. Oh, my wig. Not my man, my wig. Golly. Yeah, I tried on a few pieces. As y'all can see, they were cute. They just were either too small, too big, or just not really what I'm looking for a wedding. So I don't know where else to look. My wig, I need to figure out a way, because my band, hold on y'all, my band is on my head, but my wig is like shifting a lot, and I don't like it. Yeah, we are gonna go and try Old Navy. I don't really want to go in Target, because I went in Target not too long ago looking for like their plus size collection and stuff, and the Target I went to did not have anything. I'm trying to think. I don't want to really drive out that far to go look for something to wear, because those stores aren't really promising either. So I don't know. Yeah, I'm just about to go to Old Navy and see if they possibly have anything. If not, I really don't know what we're gonna do. I don't know what we're gonna do. Alright, y'all, we in Old Navy, so let's see if they have anything. I always look at the cleaners first. It's looking like I'm not going. So I'm about to go in this Bed Bath & Beyond, because if y'all don't know, if you have a Bed Bath & Beyond beside you, they're closing. So yeah, get what you can. If you can, I don't know. I'm just going to see what they got in here for real.
Mr. J is out the comments, leave me out of nonsense, speaking out of context. People need some content, niggas trying to keep up. Shit is not a contest. Whipping beds concept, heaven sent, God sent. At least that's what my mom says. Proof is in the progress. Money's not an object. Busy than a motherfucker. You know how my job get. Barking up the wrong tree. You know how the dogs get. Haven't fallen off yet. Come with a classic. They come around years later and say it's a sleeper. The ears are rare, the petty is rare. I chose my ex for a feature. Deposit the money to Brenda Leticia. Linda Felicia, she gave it me twice, I didn't even know for her once. You know I'm a pleaser. 42 millimeter was made in Geneva. Yeah, I probably should go to Yeshiva. We went to Ibiza. Yeah, I probably should go live with Yeezy. I need me some Jesus. As soon as I started confessing my sins, he wouldn't believe us. Sins, I got sins on my mind and some bills. Got a lot of L's on my mind and my friends. Yeah, I keep my friends on my mind. I'm in love. I'm in love with 2 girls at one time and they 10s. That's why I got 10.
Okay, guys, so as you can see, Bed Bath & Beyond didn't have anything. My whole camera fell. Now my lens just sound a little funny. Zooming in, it just sounds weird. We're just gonna proceed. Yeah, I'm glad it's not broken, because literally I had it sitting on top of my steering wheel and I don't have like a grip around a tripod, so it was just literally like sitting there and it hit the lens on the airbag part. So it's not broken, but as I can hear when I zoom in and I zoom out, y'all can hear noise, but you don't hear it when you zoom out. It's just zooming in. So I really don't know what that's about. I'm praying to go away eventually, but it's something I can deal with rather than dealing with a broken lens. All right, you guys, so I am at Dunkin'. I am getting a refresher. I'm not even mad about my camera. I'm just happy it still works. So yeah, we can just disregard the noise. If you hear that noise, you know I'm zooming in, period. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Today is Tuesday, May 16th. It is 9:03 a.m. I straightened out my Indian straight wig. It is full. It is so full. And I cut some layers into it. So, I really don't like it straight. I'm not going to lie to y'all. I like curly big hair. I don't even know why I be trying straight stuff. So, I'll probably curl this back up eventually. But I do like it for the most part. I'm at school right now. It's 9:04. Oh, excuse me. It's 9:04. I really don't have much things planned to do. I really want to go to the is it the dam? Is it called a dam? I don't know. I have to show y'all what it looks like. Rather, it's so beautiful out there. I just want to go out there, get some content, just listen to the water, kind of like sit at peace, you know. So yeah, I also have to go to the post office to mail this hair oil off to my grandmother. Yeah, if y'all don't got this hair oil, y'all better go get y'all some. I'm about to show y'all. If I can get it out of the bag, maybe. Yeah, but the Biotin Premium Hair Oil by Defil. Screenshot. This hair oil, that's why my braids be looking like it was. This is all I put in my hair. Hair been growing like crazy. So definitely get y'all some of this hair oil. I got mine. Now you can go in the hair store and find it. I heard the shampoo and conditioner is really good too. But you can go in the hair store and find it, and they're gonna tax you an arm and a leg. This was only $6.99 for this big old bottle. For a small bottle half this size at the hair store, they probably charge you like $14 and some change. So definitely go get y'all a bottle of that for sure. So yeah, I'm just about to wrap that up so I can send it off to my grandmother, and I'm probably stop at the post office. I also have to go to my old beauty school because I am going back to finish beauty school. I don't think I told you guys that, but I'm going back to finish beauty school, and I'm going back to finish somewhere else. So I will not be returning to the campus that I started with. So I have to just figure out some information as far as transferring and all that type of jazz. So I'm gonna stop by there because I called yesterday, and the only thing about this school I do not like is they play with your time, and I don't be on that type of time. So I called yesterday and they just let the phone ring. I'm gonna go see you in person today. That's all. I'm gonna just pull up on you because obviously you don't want to talk to me. You don't want to answer the phone. So I'm gonna just pull up on you. So it's right down the street from my school. I still have to find something to wear for this wedding. Honestly, it's looking like I just got to get something out the closet. I'm not gonna lie to you. I have this like two-piece set. I think I was telling y'all in another vlog that I got from that thrift store I went to yesterday. I've never worn it. I brought it on my cruise, and I didn't wear it. So I think I'm gonna try to put that together, style it together or something like that, and I'm gonna do my big curls again with this hair. Yeah, so I just gotta put something together and figure it out because at this point I don't have time to order anything. Good morning, you guys. Today is the 17th. Yes, the 17th. I just got out of class not too long ago, and I'm on my way to the car wash because I was looking at my car when I came back from class, and it was like a small, y'all know, like them light, it was a small, what I'm finna say, not a cobweb, like a small little spider web inside my car. Mind you, I'm thinking, I don't think I got my glasses on for real. I'm thinking that mug is outside my car, like on the front windshield. No, it's inside the car, and it was a small one on both sides. So I don't play them games. I don't like bugs. I don't know how a spider would have gotten in the car. I don't park under no trees. I don't leave no trash in my car like that. And I mean, it's liable from a shoe or something, but still, I don't play them games. So we are about to go get my car cleaned out. How you doing? I just want a basic car wash. Oh, okay. Here you go. y'all. So next stop is, I really want to get something from Dunkin', but I gotta go to the post office to send this off, because if I don't, it will never get done. So we're about to go to the post office to send this package off, and then we'll probably go to Dunkin' after that. So, let's go to the post office now. Alright y'all, so I just left Kroger to turn in my change. I had $17 worth of change in my purse. $17. Mind you, I don't even know how, because I don't really use cash like that. Like, I'll get cash every now and again, but most of the time I use my card. So I don't know how I'm gonna have that much change, but I'm about to go to Dunkin' and get me a refresher, because I did not go to sleep. Well, I went to sleep last night, but it was like, I literally went to sleep at like 5:30 in the morning and had to get up at 8. So I really didn't sleep last night, and I'm supposed to go help my mom decorate for this lady's wedding tomorrow. Good morning, gang. Good morning, y'all. So today is May 18th. I'm zoomed in. Seems like maybe not. Today's May 18th. I am at school right now. I'm sitting in the parking lot right now. It's 8:40. I'm here normally earlier. I am here earlier than I am normally. Normally I'm pulling up right before 9:15. But today is the day of that wedding that I'm going to, and my mom and I are helping decorate for the wedding. So my mom had to be at the place at 8. So I'm tired. Even all day yesterday, I really went a full 24 hours with really no sleep. So after yesterday, I thought I was gonna go home, crash. We went to the place to go start the decoration process, but we didn't really get much done. So they have to finish up today, the day of the wedding. So yeah, it's just a lot. Y'all, let me tell you how God works. Let me tell you how my God works. Literally. It's an account that it's my main account. And I'm gonna be honest, I didn't have much cash this week. Not gonna lie. I haven't had any clients this week. I have a client on Sunday though. But I haven't had really any clients this week. Why? I just checked my bank account, and it's almost $200 in my bank account. I don't know, but if you know, God's amazing. That's it. That's all. That's the message. God is amazing. Y'all, we is looking good. Too good. Y'all, when I get cute, I really get cute. Like, let's not play. And this face only took me like 30 minutes. So yeah, I know this vlog is kind of everywhere. This day has been everywhere, not gonna lie. Right now, I am on the way to Walmart because on my outfit, I'm around church people, so I don't want to, yeah, you know how they go. I'm around my church family, so I do not want to, well, you can see my bra through my shirt because this set is kind of see-through. So I'm going to go to Walmart to get a cami, and I also need to get some deodorant because I ran out of deodorant last night and I totally forgot to put some on today. So I don't stink, but to prevent myself from stinking, yeah, we're gonna get some deodorant. Good morning, you guys. Today is the 19th. Yeah, I really didn't do much updating yesterday. I didn't record at the wedding, nothing like that, just because that wasn't my not my business to record, but it just wasn't my, I don't want to put anybody else's stuff on social media, especially if they don't want it on social media. So right now I just left school. Right now it's 10:15 in the morning, and I took my English final today. I feel okay about it. Usually after a test, I will be worried and stressed about it, but I'm not in that headspace, so I feel like I did an okay job. Right now, I am at Hobby Lobby again. We are going to, I'm looking for a specific type of fabric. I'm gonna show y'all. I get so lonely. I might even include this in last week's vlog because I don't even think I have enough footage for a weekly vlog, and it's almost a weekend. Y'all see the fabric that she's laying on? Like, I'm going for that mirrored look almost. So I'm looking for the silver fabric that's on there. So hopefully we can find it. This camera is top notch, bro. Hopefully we can find it in here. If not, I don't really know. I have to do my photos, so I'm just trying to get everything together in a sense. And then I have to go home. I have a meeting with my mentor at 12 today, and then I have to go home and create not a sketch. I had the word in my head. I'm tired, I'm not gonna lie. Create basically a 3D model of my custom boxes that I want for my business and send them over to my vendor to see if they can be completed by him. So yeah, that's what's on today's agenda. I think I'm gonna try to stay out till 12 so I can have my meeting with my mentor somewhere. So we will see. It's 10:19 now. I was gonna go to Chick-fil-A because I have points and I'm hungry, but I don't want breakfast, so I'm just kind of killing time and just waiting there. So yeah, let's see what we can find in this habit of the labbit. Yeah, I don't see any type of fabric I'm looking for. So I might have to go to Joann's and see what they have, because what they have, oh, this is so cute. I want to get the little totes I seen on Amazon that have these letters on it. Those are so cute. But yeah, I'm gonna go check Joann's and see if I can't get it from Joann's, and I'm gonna have to get it online because they have silver fabric, but I want like the mirrored fabric in a sense. So we're just gonna keep hunting for it. So I'm about to go ahead and get up out of here because there's nothing else I really need. Okay guys, so I went to Dunkin' Donuts, got me a refresher. I got the mango pineapple lemonade refresher. You can get their refreshers with green tea, lemonade, and I want to say you can get it with oat milk. I want to say, but I'm not sure. I can't do the oat milk, so I wouldn't know. I also got me a grilled cheese, which this is gone. Right now we are at Joann's. I don't remember if I told y'all, but I didn't find the fabric in Hobby Lobby, so we are at Joann's to see if we can find a particular fabric that I'm looking for, because Hobby Lobby didn't have it. They just had a plain silver-y one, so we're gonna see what we can find in here. To me, Joann's has like a much wider variety of fabric when it comes to fabric, because they have literally all of this area is fabric, and then all around this corner is more fabric. So see, all this is fabric. I feel like they have a wider variety when it comes to fabric rather than Hobby Lobby, but Hobby Lobby be having the best sales. What is up, guys? Well, I see him get zoomed in. Because we are. Okay, so right now it is 6:12. Oh boy. Sheesh. Never mind. That's rude. Yeah, so it's 6:12 right now. I went home. I chilled out for a little bit. I still have some work I got to do. I just had a headache, so I just kind of chilled out for a little bit, collecting my thoughts, all that type of stuff. I got dressed. This is very last minute. I was not planning on going anywhere today, but my sisters and my niece are going to a birthday dinner, and they just asked me to come with them, so I'm going to meet them at the restaurant now. Yeah, all I got on is this bodysuit from Old Navy. I love Old Navy's bodysuits. I really have to get me the short sleeve ones. I have one short sleeve one, but I want some more. So I got on this brown bodysuit, these like slacks. I'll show y'all when I get out of the car. But these are slack. I don't know how to describe the material. They stretchy, kind of very lightweight. I got those slacks from Old Navy as well. They was on clearance for like $8, $8 or $11, one of the two. And then I got on just some chunky Converse, and then I got on my gold Knndhendricks necklace. Nothing major, nothing major. Something slight, something slight. So yeah, it's 6:14 now. The dinner don't start till 6:45. So I'm probably about 15 minutes away, but it's still kind of like traffic time, because around between 5 o'clock and 6:30 here is the majority of the traffic time, and it is a Friday, so yeah, I do not have my glasses on. Oof. Hi, Nana.
How are you?
Good, how are you? It's so good to hear your voice. Alright, you guys, so I just left hanging out with my friend Jill. We went and got Mexican food and drinks. So right now, I know this is the wildest time, but I'm at a car dealership because I wanted to look at cars. Well, not really cars, it's just this G-Wagon I just been seeing, and I want to look at it. I have to pee so bad, but I really want to look at this G-Wagon. I also want to look at other cars too, but I'm not gonna walk around this park. Look at this G-Wagon, y'all. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It looks so small though. Only thing my fear is about a G-Wagon is me being tall as hell in a G-Wagon. But look at this car. I have had my eye on this all week. Look at it. I thought I want an all black G-Wagon. This right here is fire. This is so pretty. Look at the wheels. Like literally so fire, bro. Let's speak it into existence because it's mine. I'm claiming it. This is so pretty. It just looks so small on the inside. That mug is fire. Gotta take a picture. This is so pretty. I really don't want to be out here all day because I don't want nobody. You know, people become suspicious. It is so pretty, y'all. But I will get the wheels like bulky, like oops, about to fall. Real bulky. Also, it's a Jeep something. I don't know. I think it's a Trackhawk though. Oh, it's just an SRT. 2019. This has 64,000 miles on it. People be buying cars with that. kind of mileage. This is pretty too. I think I just want my next car to be white. White and black. Cause this is fire. I really want to walk around this whole parking lot, but I have to pee so bad. Also, I seen this. Now this is pretty too. I think this might be electric though. I like the build in the front. I like the build in the front. It just looks really nice. What is this? Oh, the inside is pretty too. I just like the big dash. Oh, and it has a double sunroof. This is so pretty. I like to look at cars when the place closed because I don't like being harassed. This is a 2023. Oh wow. 72 grand. It's crazy. Alright, y'all. What is up? It is Sunday right now. I'm weak. It's Sunday, May 21st. Right now it's 2:02. This is my first time picking up the camera today. As y'all see, I'm in the car. As always, my car is my safe haven. Yeah, my niece has her recital today. At 5, so that is where I'm not heading to that now. I'm going to Lidl's to go get her some flowers, and then I'm going to my sister's mom's house, and I'm probably just gonna ride with them to go to the place where her recital is, because it don't start till 5. But I think my sister wanted to go out and do something before we left. So that is what I'm doing now. I am around the corner from Lidl's. I was debating about going to Lidl's because Lidl's is on the opposite side of town, but Lidl's be having pretty flowers, so I wanted to get some flowers. I want to get a balloon, but I don't want to be extra, so yes sir. I am about to pull up on Lidl's right now, and yeah, we're gonna see what type of flowers they have. I always get my mom's flowers from there, because they have like nice roses and all that type of stuff, and they only be like $5 for a dozen. So we're gonna see what they got today. Let's fingers crossed they got some pretty fresh ones, and yeah, I'll see y'all when I get in Lidl's. Yeah, you look so ugly. Not ugly, but I wanted roses. Look pretty. Just a smile. Drive crazy for are these called peonies? Peonies? Maybe it's I don't know which ones I want to get. I like these the best. And then I'm thinking about sticking on either those. These look pretty too. Oh, these are cute. I'm not a flower girl, so I really don't be knowing. It's either out of these or those. But I think I like those more. So we're gonna get these. We're just gonna go with these. Got the goods. Let us leave. Okay guys, so we are back in the car. I just got these. They're so pretty. I'm not a flower girl, a flower child. I'm not that at all. I'm allergic to a lot of stuff. I'm not allergic to flowers, but I know, like, I might be. I don't know. One time I bought roses and I cut the stems and my hands started itching and burning. So I'm just gonna yeah, I don't really buy flowers for me. Even though I want to start, but I don't really buy flowers like that. I just buy them for my mom and like events like this. So these are the flowers. I wanted roses. I like roses. Roses are so freaking pretty. Like, they are so cute. So I wanted roses, but I really don't have time to go anywhere else to try to find some. So I just got those. Okay, y'all. So we're in your pie before, and I just want to show you my outfit. White bodysuit from Old Navy. Jacket is too big, but it's from Kohl's. I bought it last year in November. Some jeans and just some Yeezys. It's from everybody.
My stomach down?
No.
Do you want to say anything to the camera?
No.
Oh. I was so excited with the camera. I look really good in this camera. Woo. Alright, I don't know what I'm doing. If I turn it around, then what do I show? Oh, it's the dancer. Dancer and her besties.
We at Red Robin, guys. That's where my niece chose to go.
Hello. We're going into Red Robin.
I
don't know how this works.
just literally talk. That's
Thank you.
You get paid to talk to people. True that. The gang's arriving, guys. Say hi, Maddie. Hey. I'm singing a song. What is up, guys? So we made it back home. Well, I'm in my second home. Yeah, I'm at my second home. We left Red Robin. I think I showed y'all going to Red Robin. I didn't show y'all the food. It was mid, but good at the same time.
Hi.
Let's work with Ebony.
Yes.
What are you doing, Ebony?
I am just looking to see what is on my calendar for tomorrow. I fly out tomorrow morning. As soon as I land, I have a meeting, and then another meeting, and another meeting. So just seeing what I can catch up with now to kind of prevent me from doing too much.
I'm weak.
This is the Alpha Kappa Alpha Sorority Incorporated office.
Yeah. They are AKAs. Hey,
Definitely are.
Weak.
Thank you, sir. That is us. Me and my mama.
Yeah.
I apparently had too much at Red Robin because my alarm is going on.
Oh, that's for your stuff?
High glucose. High glucose alert.
That monitor, I thought that monitor's, yeah, I know you have that.
My blood sugar.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, what would you rate today, Ebony?
It was a 10 out of 10. I got to see my baby dance. I love her so much. Kirsten is my niece. My only niece. My favorite niece. She did an amazing job.
She did.
This is her first time back dancing since COVID. And I'm so proud of her for getting back out there and doing it.
For sure. Y'all, this is the mother of the star. My other sister, Chris. How do you feel?
I always gotta do something crazy, don't I?
What would you rate the day?
The day was like a 5.
So it was a 5. She was backstage with her all day. Mind you, they had 2 shows, so she's been there all day. But she's such a great mom, you guys.
Aw, thank you.
She is.
She's such a great mom. Yeah.
Oh, my baby did so good today.
She
I'm so
did.
proud of her.
Yeah, we are. That's a loud flush.
It is. My baby had to go to the bathroom.
Back to the actual star, you guys. Say hi, Kissy Poo.
Hello.
What would you rate the day?
I rated a 3 because I chipped my toe and I
You
had to
rated a
deal with
3?
these musty kids and I don't like them, so.
But how was your performance? How do you think you did?
I fell.
You fell.
Yeah.
When?
On the first show and I chipped my toe. You see it? Don't show the camera. You didn't pay for that.
You fell when?
When I was doing my leaps.
Not you saying they gotta pay for that.
Which
They
week?
do.
Which dance?
I don't know, guys, but I just wanted to go and end the vlog here. This is the end of the weekly vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And we'll be back with another one next week. Love y'all. Peace.